Chris of the Police Superintendents Association. Thank you.
7, Chris, some sport, please.
Lots of it to report, plenty of news both on and off the court at the US Open tennis overnight. On it, Novak Djokovic beat Juan Martín del Potro in straight sets to claim his third US Open title.
Good day. You wouldn't actually be able to guess from where I'm parked up at the moment, but I am actually in Belgium at the moment. I'm in Ghent. I think that's how you say it. I'm on another road trip in the van. I've got about 20 days, or roughly 20 days in Europe now, in the van. If you're watching the channel recently, you'll probably know I've only really just finished doing my landscape photography series in Iceland. I didn't really want to go straight from that to doing another one abroad. I do enjoy doing obviously the ones from the UK, and they do, to be honest, get a lot more engagement. It's nice to kind of see somewhere local. I think most of my audience are kind of UK-based. But it had to be done. I'd already kind of booked and planned the holiday. I've got about 9 days or something like that to explore quite a few places I want to go, do some hiking. Going to spend some time in the Dolomites, Austria, Slovenia, a few places on Germany on the way through. And then after about 9 days, Alice is going to fly over and we're going to have a kind of holiday in Croatia. Non-photography related, and then we'll be kind of making our way back through Italy and kind of back to the UK really. So I don't normally find many places to photograph in Belgium, or I didn't last time I did the landscape photography series in Europe, but this time I thought I'd go into some of the towns more. I know they got lovely old medieval villages, and Ghent was somewhere when I looked into it that I really wanted to get to. I'm in an understory car park at the moment. It's not a great view, but I'm actually parked right near the kind of main centre where the canals are and where some of the old historic buildings are. So I'm going to do a bit of exploring. I'm not going to vlog probably too much up there really. It's been a long day. I've done a lot of driving. I've probably been driving for something like 8-9 hours today altogether. Been on the ferry, and I'm not really going to do it today. I'm going to properly do this series tomorrow, but I want to get this in there kind of to start it off really. I did go and see some of the Commonwealth war graves earlier as well, in Dunkirk. That's quite a moving thing to see. Very powerful to go and see those. Obviously not somewhere you vlog or anything like that. It's not very respectful, but I've got a few images that I might show up just so you know what I'm talking about. And what I'll probably do here is I'm probably going to go out there, take a few video clips, get some locations set up, take some photography really, just mainly for the portfolio. If it works out okay and I'll get some nice images, I'll probably run through some settings with you as well, and do a bit of vlogging. But like I say, I'm not 100% sold on that yet really. But yeah, I hope you follow the series. Tomorrow's probably going to be me going through Germany, so hopefully going to get to at least one castle, maybe two, and there are a few other locations that I'll probably do in between. Still going to try and stick to the format of what I can do in a day. I love doing the kind of day series, so you get to see me actually travelling and a few different locations I stop off. So I'm going to stick with that rather than the individual locations, and see how we get on. So I'll either speak to you a bit later at the end of this vlog, or I'll see you at tomorrow's. Hopefully I'll have some footage or images to put up for you. Try and make what I can really from today, and yeah, see what happens. Right, I'm still down in Ghent. I have to say this is a really good move. It's absolutely amazing down here. Really pretty medieval buildings. can have a look at the reflections across the water. What I've been doing is I've been shooting down this way and also from the bridge. It's a bit difficult to get this composition in really, because the building here, the church tower, this one here, when I shoot down at it at a bit of an angle, it is cropping that or cutting that out of the top of the frame, so I'm having to shoot more direct on to it. But all I have actually done is I've zoomed in, gone a bit more telly on it and gone into this building here to try and get that as a bit of interest instead, which means I can get two of the bridges in a bit more detail, a bit more zoomed up. It's getting quite busy down here now as the evenings come on, so I'm not going to do much more vlogging, and to be honest my phone is going to go flat in about a minute's time because it's on 2%. But yeah, really nice feel to the town, really nice. I've got some really nice pictures. We did have some nice colours in the sky earlier with some nice red clouds and sunsetty colours. It was quite cloudy behind me where the sun was setting, but luckily on this end it was wispy enough to pick up some of the light. So I've done quite a few different shots. Sorry once again, this vlog is a bit of a rush one. Like I said, I've done a lot of travelling in it, but hopefully you get to see this area, this location. There's so much cool architecture down here. If you're into your medieval kind of architecture and buildings, definitely recommend going to Ghent. I would have thought Bruges and Brussels is much the same. I think Belgium is very well known for it. But that's probably going to be me now. I'm probably going to call it quits. I need to go and find somewhere to pull up in the van. I'm probably going to go to an air tonight or something like that. Probably get a few more hours over Belgium towards Germany. Find somewhere to set up for the night. Got to get something to eat as well. There's an awesome Waffle House around the corner, so probably going to go there. Hope you found it interesting. I hope you like the images anyway, even if you haven't really been able to see much of me vlogging what I'm doing on the camera really. I've just been taking single frames using one of the soft grads to darken the sky enough to get some long exposure blue hour shots. I've been shooting the 16 to 35mm as well, because you need a really wide lens down here. So yeah, really cool. I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Like I said, it'll probably be a few locations in Germany, and yeah, continue the road series. And tomorrow onwards will be a bit more of an in-depth kind of travel vlog really, with locations throughout the day or in the morning at least, and something in the evening as well. So yeah, hope you'd enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.